Hey folks, let's make souvlaki. Now, souvlaki really just refers to the meat on a stick and not the seasoning, but I think we all associate souvlaki with a distinct Greek flavor, and the secret to the perfect souvlaki comes down to the marinade. So we'll need a few garlic cloves, minced small for the sauce. Put them in a bowl with some fresh lemon juice, olive oil, red wine vinegar, juice from some Kalamata olives, lots of oregano, black pepper, salt, cardamom, even though it's not traditional, and paprika. Give it a good stir to distribute the flavors. Cut your meat into bite-sized chunks. I'm using chicken, but this goes great with pork as well. Add it to the marinade and let it sit for at least 30 minutes. If you need tzatziki, now's a great time to make a fresh batch. Sometime later, you can load up your skewers. Grill your meat to perfection, about 7 minutes per side. If you don't have access to a grill, you can use the stovetop method from my butter chicken episode for equally delicious results. Add to a pita or even just a salad along with a giant helping of fresh tzatziki. And now you can enjoy the best souvlaki all week. If you tried this on your own, let me know how it turns out. Otherwise, let me know what you want to see next. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.